You closed Firefox, but now it won't open again. Let's find out what's causing it and fix it. First, close every Firefox window and give Firefox a moment to shut down completely. Then press Ctrl Shift Escape to open Task Manager. You can also right-click an empty area on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Under Processes, look for Firefox. If all Firefox windows are closed but Firefox is still running, right-click Firefox and select End Task. That closes the stuck process for now. Before going further, restart Windows once and test Firefox again. If Firefox is still running after you close it, end the Firefox process in Task Manager before continuing. Then open Firefox again and let's find out what's causing the problem. Click the menu button, go to Help, then select Troubleshoot Mode. Click Restart, then Open. Now close Firefox normally and check Task Manager again. If Firefox closes normally in Troubleshoot Mode, the likely cause is an extension, theme, or hardware acceleration. Open Firefox normally again, then start by testing hardware acceleration. Open Settings, select Tabs and Browsing, and scroll down to Performance. Uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings, then turn off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Exit Firefox and check Task Manager. If Firefox closes normally, hardware acceleration was likely the cause. But if Firefox is still running, end the Firefox process in Task Manager before continuing. Then open Firefox again and check your theme. Click the menu button, select Extensions and Themes, then Themes. If you're using another theme, enable the System theme. Exit Firefox and check Task Manager again. If Firefox closes normally, the theme was likely causing the problem. But if Firefox is still running, end the Firefox process in Task Manager before continuing. Then open Firefox again and check your extensions. Click the menu button in the top right corner, select Extensions and Themes, then Extensions. Disable all enabled extensions. Now exit Firefox and check Task Manager again. If Firefox closes normally with all extensions disabled, one of your extensions is likely causing the problem. Open Firefox again and re-enable your extensions one at a time. After enabling one extension, exit Firefox and check Task Manager. If Firefox closes normally, open it again, enable the next extension, and repeat the test. If Firefox stays running after enabling an extension, end the Firefox process in Task Manager. The extension you just enabled is the likely cause. But if Firefox still stays running even with all extensions disabled, end the Firefox process in Task Manager before continuing. In that case, the hardware acceleration, theme, and extension test did not isolate the cause. Next, make sure Firefox is up to date. Open Firefox again, open the menu, go to Help, then About Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for available updates. If an update is available, install it and restart Firefox. Then close Firefox normally and check Task Manager again. If Firefox closes normally, the update may have resolved the problem. But if Firefox is still running, end the Firefox process in Task Manager before continuing. If the problem continues, the next step is a clean reinstall of Firefox. First, download the latest Firefox installer from the official Mozilla website and keep the installer in your Downloads folder for later. Then right-click the Start button and select Installed Apps. Find Mozilla Firefox, click the three-dot menu next to it, and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove Firefox. If you see an option to remove your personal data or Firefox profile, leave it unchecked. After Firefox is uninstalled, check whether the Firefox program folder is still there. If it is, delete only the leftover Firefox program folder. Your bookmarks, passwords, and other profile data are stored separately and won't be removed by this reinstall. Now run the Firefox installer you downloaded. If you see the option Clean Up and Speed Up, uncheck it so Firefox is reinstalled without resetting your settings or removing your add-ons. Then continue with the installation. When the installation is finished, open Firefox, close it normally, and check Task Manager again. If Firefox disappears from the process list, the problem is fixed. But if Firefox is still running, end the Firefox process in Task Manager before continuing. Then open Firefox again and consider Refresh Firefox as the next troubleshooting step. Open the Firefox menu, go to Help, then More Troubleshooting Information. Click Refresh Firefox, then confirm by clicking Refresh Firefox again. Firefox will close and restart during the refresh process. Refresh Firefox keeps important data such as your bookmarks, browsing history, passwords, and cookies, but removes extensions and themes and reset many customized settings. After the refresh is complete, close Firefox normally and check Task Manager one more time. If Firefox disappears from the process list, the problem is fixed. If this helped, subscribe for more quick Windows and browser fixes.